Hey, I'm Scottie and today I'm going to be sketching with an 8B black pencil. A whole lot of portraits of people wearing glasses. Okay, I'm starting at the top here. I'm going to go around the hair, make some loose shapes, and my goal is to find the shape of the forehead there, so then I can build the rest of the face down. Something like glasses, I'm going to start right in the middle, a bit to the left because she's got her head turned, and then we go at the same angle each side of the nose. So I'm holding my breath here that I don't ruin a nice sketch with these glasses like so many times I have. That's why I need to practice. Okay, so if that comes there, do a little light line and see if it's correct. Now to make it seem a bit more 3D, little shadows to hint that. Okay, now just going to add a bit of blending. Really like that loose look. So the next sketch I'm going to do is here with this reference. So first I'll start with my loose shapes. The glasses, so make it even on both sides. I'll try doing the top first. Okay, this guy is going to have his head poking around the corner here. Little bridge is just under that eye and on the nose. Cuts that corner there. And then it's up there. So we'll do a mirror. Goes across this to about there. This side is quite a challenge. So it's sort of curving away like that. So, but this side, how's that going across here? Right over the pupil. Okay, the glasses marathon continues down in the corner. Glasses, same technique as we were doing before. We'll start in the middle and mirror each side. Okay, my last one is going to be this girl with the dark glasses, because I want to try if I can get that effect by blending the pencil. This as dark as I can. See my little blending stick makes it so much smoother. So that's my sketch page filled out with people wearing glasses. Hope you could sketch along, and I'll see you on the next one.